Hey guys, I am Kyle. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make the devil or Satan in Infinite Craft the fastest method. So let's get started. So the first one is earth plus wind, and then water plus water, and then fire plus water, and then dust plus earth, and then lake plus water right here. And then after that is planet plus steam. And then after that is lake plus ocean, and then earth plus fire, and then ocean plus steampunk. And after that, lava plus sea right here, and then steam plus steampunk pirate. So you would have a pirate ship. And then after that is a steampunk pirate ship plus stone right here. And then you'd have a Stonehenge, and then you'd need to add some steam into that in order to create time, and then plant plus steam right here. So we're gonna need a plant, so earth plus water, and then we're gonna add a steam into that right here, and then we'd have a T. And after that, planet plus wind right here, planet plus wind. And then after that is we're gonna go for lake plus time, so we're gonna add a lake right here, and then storm plus T right here, and then we would have the tempest, and then aeon plus time, so we're gonna add time into that right here. And now we have eternity. And after that is that we are gonna go for a T plus tempest right here, and then we'd have a typhoon, and then aeon plus eternity right here. We're gonna add aeon into this one, and then we'd have forever, and then we're gonna go for fire plus typhoon, and then also fire for forever, and then we're gonna combine this, and then voila, we now have Satan. And that is basically how you do it.